Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am. Ako po si Ralph C. Price, ang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today, we are going to unbox and review the Marvel Legends series, Wolverine and Sabretooth na 2-pack. Thank you very much, Philbars. Philbars Multiverse sa SM North EDSA. Doon ko nabili to. SRP niya 5,000 pesos only. Okay, first we have Wolverine with... dito na talaga yan. Wolverine with civilian clothes. So ito yung kanyang shirt with collar na color maroon. Tapos meron din siya mga buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 buttons. And naka-roll up yung sleeve niya. Tapos kita din yung hair sa kanyang arms. Tapos yung kanyang headwear naman, it's a hat. And then yung facial na hair niya, abot dun sa kanyang cheeks. Hanggang dun sa likod ng kanyang head. Hindi natatanggal yung hat. Meron din siyang isang alt head. Pero yun, hindi rin natatanggal. Pero ang ganda ng sculpt ng hat niya. Iba yung color, iba yung style. So kung gusto niyo black yung color and mas tapered yung style nito, ito yung equip niyo. Okay? Try niyo i-equip ng isa. Yung expression niya dito is a neutral angry face. Dito naman para siyang naka-smirk. So let's try that. Okay? Naka-smirk na. Madali lang naman tanggalin yung mga heads kasi ball peg lang naman yung nasa neck niya. So that's cool. Okay, tapos yung chest niya meron ding hair. Nakabukas din slightly yung kanyang shirt. And astig din ng nung texture ng kanyang nung clothes. You also have the belt with the gold na buckle. Tapos meron siyang blue denim jeans. And you have the leather shoes. In terms of yung kanyang claws naman, medyo sharp. So kaya ingat kayo sa ganitong klaseng mga pointed na mga figures. Lalong-lalo na sa mga kids. Baka hindi pwede itong mga sharper type of things for them. Okay? In terms of articulation, ito nga pala yung kanyang likod. In terms of articulation, head up, down, rotate 360. Tapos sa arms, can move out like that, rotation. Okay. 360. Meron din siyang swivel and can also, wow, double jointed na elbow and ball jointed yung kamay. You can move it out and inwards. You can do some stretching and ab crunch. Tapos meron din siyang cuts sa kanyang waist, 360, pwede yan. And you can push the foot forward or the legs forward. Meron din siyang thigh cut, you can rotate that 360 degrees. Double jointed na knee and ball joint yung kanyang paa. Now let's move on to Sabretooth. Ay nga pala, yung height niya, yung height ni Wolverine, I think this is around 6. Yeah, 5. Yeah, around 6 inches tall. Tapos ito naman si Sabretooth. Wow, ang laki nito. 7.5 inches tall. Okay. Can we do this? Pwede kaya palitan yung head nito? I think pwede. Ito nga. Oh, same lang yung peg. So we can do this. Ayos oh. So ibig sabihin, pwede ko rin ipasok to dito. Mas malaki yung head niya. That's cool. Parang nasa body ni Sabretooth yung mukha ni Wolverine. Okay. Meron nga rin pala itong alt na head sculpt. So you have meron din siya mga alt hands, dalawang kamay. Tapos yung kanyang expression dito, yung isa angry face, and then the other one is much, parang siyang nakasmile siya. Ito angry face, labas din yung fangs. Very nice sculpt sa face. And you also have the very cool sculpted na fur, pati yung hair, pati yung facial muscles niya. Alright, for Sabretooth, yung kanyang suit, brown yung nasa gitna, and you also have the yellow-orange na suit or colored suit dito naman sa gilid and inside of the arms. Meron din siya mga spike na mga segments dito sa, para siyang tiger stripes dito sa legs and sa arms. Fully covered din ng fur yung kanyang upper back. and facial hair, yung kanyang hair, yung kanyang eyebrows, and the side of the cheek. Very nice expression. And also you have the hands, very powerful na mga poses, and meron din siya mga parang grabbing hands, and yeah, ito grabbing hands din to eh. Very nice, lalo na pag pinost nyo siya with Wolverine. Gandang ano, magandang mga very dynamic poses yung mga gagawa nyo dito. Very well sculpted yung din yung kanyang muscle section here sa ribs, and the legs muscular din, yung back naman din. Gumagawa rin ako ng mga magandang references to mga toys for comic book paintings or comic book sketches, kasi makikita nyo rito yung anatomy ng muscles, how do they work. Kunwari meron akong ginagawang post na gusto ko gawing reference for drawing, ginagamit ko lang pwede kong gamitin to si Sabretooth para sa post na yun or sa illustration na yun. Okay. Alright, sa feet naman meron din siyang brown na triangle dito sa bottom of the feet. Okay, in terms of articulation, you can look up, down, 360. Pwede ba? Hindi pwede. Nahihinder ng kanyang fur. And you can also do oh wow, ab crunch and stretch. Arms can move out, swivel, double jointed elbow. Ingat kayo dito, medyo matalo. Hindi, soft rubber lang pala siya. And ball jointed na hands. Okay, tapos you can kick that far. Meron din ba siyang thigh cut? Yes, meron siyang thigh cut. Meron siyang thigh cut to have a thigh swivel. And double jointed knee. Tapos you can also move the feet. Okay, ball joint din siya. Very nice. Scalp paint application is good, and the expression, pati accessories maganda. Very nice addition sa inyong 2-pack na Wolverine and Sabretooth. Nga pala, meron din siyang kasamang cards. I think you can okay, pwede mong ilagay dito sa kamay ni Wolverine. Let's go like that. Okay, para nice ito, Savior. Oh nice. Ang galing may Savior pa na logo. Tapos meron din siyang mga hawak na cards here. You have Q, Queen of Spades, Queen of Diamonds, 7 diamonds, 7 of clubs, and 7 of clubs. So that's it mga ma'am sir, yun lang ang ating review kay Wolverine and Sabretooth na action figures from Marvel Legends. Again, thank you very much Philbars, dahil meron kayong stock nito sa Philbars Multiverse sa SM North. Okay, so yun lang mga ma'am sir, thank you very much for watching, and see you sa next video. Bye bye.